a new day, and your girl is tired. Buster did not rest well last night. I don't know what was going on with him, but he just did not sleep good, and that means Mama did not sleep good because he was up and down and in and out from under the covers, and I was trying to kind of like not disturb James. So yeah, it was a rough night. So your girl's tired. I don't know what was up with him, but he's doing so much better. He actually got his 2 doses yesterday, and I've already given him his dose today. I'm telling you, getting that kid to take his medicine. Anyway, today I'm waiting on my mama to come. We are going to go to the pool today and hang out. I will be leaving Buster here just for the simple fact it's hot. And with all the allergies and stuff, I just want him to kind of rest. That seems to do him the most good. So as much as I hate to leave him, I think he knows too. He's going to have to stay here, and I'll just have to pay the price when I get home. Thank y'all for understanding for me not having a video up on Thursday. There's just gonna be days just like that. There's just some days there's literally nothing going on. I have no motivation. And that was definitely yesterday. I was just no motivation, none whatsoever. And I would try to kind of get up and, you know, I did the basics, you know what I'm saying? You do the basics. And a couple loads of laundry and, you know, wash the dishes. Thank goodness we had leftovers, so I didn't have to worry about cooking dinner. And I'm really looking forward to getting to that pool and getting on that float and just kind of probably taking me a nap in the pool, if you want to know the truth about it, because I'm so tired. I've even drank my coffee this morning trying to get pepped up. Our yard is so saturated, like in the grass. Poor little Buster just gets lost out there in the grass. But it is so saturated, staying in water. I'm not complaining, but I think I am complaining. It's like it needs to dry out enough that we can get the yard cut. But, you know, it is what it is, right? I think I have a breakout right here. Anyway, that is that for now. And I don't know what today will hold, like if I'll be able to get any footage. This may, well, you won't know until you see it, but it may go into a couple days. I don't know. But poor James, he's even been too tired for me to harass him. He's had to go to a plant for a couple days and be out in the heat and doing all that kind of stuff. So he's just come in and just been exhausted. And so I've just kind of left him alone and not really bothered him. Just let him just relax, cool down, chill out. And we went to bed. Well, he's went to bed early both nights. So I've been good. I haven't harassed him. I haven't bothered him. So anyway, that's what's on tap for today, pool day. And then I'm also taking her decor that she's been thrifting and leaving at my house. I'm taking that to her. She'll love the valance that I bought for her. And I'm taking her that. And I had to buy her some light bulbs, some special kind of light bulbs for a little lamp that she bought. So I got those. So that's already loaded up. And she wants us to go through some of her decor when we get there to kind of see. And then I think Monday I'm going over there and we're going to spend the day like decorating and doing some more cleaning and just whatever she wants to do, honestly. That's what we're supposed to be doing Monday. You know, things can change. What? You want to get your 2 cents in? You want a treat? You want to tell everybody thank you for your well wishes and praying for you? Yeah? Okay. All right. Well, you know, I got to do what he says, so I'll talk to you in a little bit. We about to get a gourmet meal cooked by this one. Delanna, what you cooking us?
It's wheat bread with a little slathering on each side with a decadent middle center that when warmed up melts. It is a grilled cheese. Yeah, my husband's making me watch MasterChef.
Oh, is he? It's all in the word.
So much though from doing it. I'm like,
it's all in the wording.
This guy on site was talking about something, and Tyler was like, and that is called Egg Benedict or something.
Well, we've been separating home decor, putting stuff out. Mama's over there bossing everybody around.
Somebody's got to be the advisor and the superintendent.
And trying to get everything out, kind of see what she's got. I told y'all, I pay for these pool days. I pay for them.
And in our room, and I want to get like a little chair or something put in there. You know, the devotional area.
You make me pay for these pool days, don't you, Delanna? Y'all come hang out in the pool. Oh, before you leave, while you're here. Am I right? Am I right?
You're right.
But go ahead and say what you always say about her.
What I say, she's the baby.
She's the baby.
That's it. That's all you can say. She's the baby.
Anyway, it's all in good time, all fun. Here it is. Well, you a little on the cray-cray side, but we love you. Just joking, y'all. Just joking. All right. I think I've had enough for today. I'm ready to get home to my buster. I've been checking in on him, and he hadn't been sleeping. Yeah, I think that medicine is keeping him awake because it has a steroid in it, and I think that medicine is not my friend at all. Just got home and I had to put some clothes in the dryer. I had to get my clothes out of the dryer. So now I gotta fold some laundry. I didn't get fussed at too much by Buster. Thank goodness. But he did so well here, and thank goodness we left him here because it was so hot and he would have been miserable and he needed the rest. But I'm just gonna get the clothes folded and wait for the dryer to go off so I can get those out and rest. I'm getting a headache. I guess it's been out in the sun and the water and I don't know. My mom was getting one earlier today. So I guess just all that heat is so hot. But anyway, can't wait to get me a nice bath. But let me get my laundry done and then what is the age-old question around here? What's for dinner? I don't know. I was going to do some blackened tilapia because it's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious, but I don't think I have enough for me and James. So I think I only have 2 pieces, and I usually do is 2 pieces a piece because they're kind of small fillets. So I figure something out. But I'll worry about that in a little bit. I'm like Scarlett O'Hara. I won't think about that right now. I'll think about that in a little bit. Give me some of my drink in me and sit down and do my laundry. Yay! It's never done, is it?